Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect Putty to cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net. If you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Where in the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account if you do not already have one. So go ahead and register if you don't have one, and after doing so, you can log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page, and you'll be able to access your menu, and your cPanel is going to look like this. So from here in your dashboard, you'll be able to access all the settings that you need for the website and hosting, such as your file manager right here. We have our databases and so on, everything we need to get started. Now we can take a look at how to use Putty SSH with cPanel. So basically on the official cPanel.net website, as you can see right here, there is an article on how to use the Putty client. So basically accessing the cPanel servers via SSH with Putty is going to be available by following the steps right here. First, you'll need to install the Putty on your computer. So once you have installed Putty on your computer, you'll be able to go ahead and follow the steps right here. You can follow the steps on how to open up all the settings. So as you can see, you'll be able to manage your host names and so on, everything right here by using the command --line and to connect your cPanel server with Putty and SSH. So you want to follow the steps right here, go to cpanel.net, find this article and see how to follow all the steps, and you'll be able to generate your keys and use those keys, uploading the public key to your service so that you'll be able to connect using those keys. Once you have followed all the steps right here, you'll be able to successfully connect your client. So go ahead and find this article right here, open up your dashboard from here and get started with accessing Putty with cPanel. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.